I see the bus coming. Yes, let's go! I got the window seat. You always get the window seat.
This isn't a normal stop. I know. I need a word with you.
Why did we stop here? I don't know. That's not our school.
There's a roadblock ahead. I'll drive the kids. Okay, be quick. Sit down, everyone. We're going now.
Who's that man? Tom, where's Mr. Ray? He's not here. Lily, I'm scared too. Stay calm. Don't say anything. I have my phone. Call Mom right now.
Mom says Lily says wrong driver, wrong road.
What? That can't be right.
Police, my children are on a school bus. A stranger took the bus. Please help.
Eat your breakfast, kids.
I'm almost done, Mom. Mom, I want more eggs.
No time. Bus comes soon.
Tom, put your shoes on. I can't find them.
They're by the door, Tom.
Oh, there they are.
Have a great day, kids.
Bye, Dad.
Your bus will be here soon.
Can I sit by the window? Yes, but sit still.
I always sit still, Mom.
I see the bus coming. Yes, let's go.
Good morning, kids.
Good morning, Mr. Ray. I got the window seat. You always get the window seat. Hi, Lily. Hi, Tom.
Hi, Maya. Sit with us.
We have art class today. I love art class. I hope we do painting. I hope we draw dinosaurs. Look, there's a dog. Tom, sit down.
This isn't a normal stop. I know. I need a word with you.
Why did we stop here? I don't know. That's not our school.
There's a roadblock ahead. I'll drive the kids. Okay, be quick. Sit down, everyone. We're going now.
Who's that man? Tom, where is Mr. Ray? He's not here. I don't know that man. Me neither. I'm scared. Lily, I'm scared too. Stay calm. Don't say anything.
This is the wrong road.
I know. We need help. I have my phone. Call Mom right now. Mom will find us. Please hurry, Lily.
Kids should be at school now.
Yes, they left 20 minutes ago. Oh, a message from Lily? That's strange. They're on the bus. Ben, come here, please.
What is it?
Mom says Lily says wrong driver, wrong road.
What? That can't be right. I'm calling the school now.
I'll call the police.
Did Mom see it? Not yet. Wait.
No talking back there.
Do you see the signal?
He saw you.
The package is in
I know. I'll be
position. The clock
Lily,
is
I see a big street sign.
No.
What does it say?
Don't make a sound.
It says Maple Road.
They're closer
That's a clue.
than you think. Just
Police,
wait
my
for
children are on a school bus.
mark.
A stranger took the bus. Please help.
School
Wait
says the
for
bus
my
driver is missing.
mark.
Mr. Ray is missing too?
I'm going out to find them.
Wait, Lily sent another message. Maple Road, yellow building, go fast.
I know that road. I'm going now.
Mom replied. Stay safe. They know we are. What did your mom say?
Help is coming. Stay quiet.
Okay, stop here. Everyone stay put.
We're stopping. Bus stopping near a big gray wall. Hurry, please.
Nobody move. I mean it.
Do you see the signal?
I'm really scared,
The
Lily.
package is in
Hold my hand. Don't let go.
position.
Is anyone coming? Yes.
They're closer
Yard, we are here.
than you think. Just wait for
Old
my
Mill Yard. I
mark.
know it! 3 minutes away. Hey,
Just wait for my
me that phone.
mark.
I don't have fun.
Officer, it's Old Mill Yard.
A
Units are
little
moving now.
breath
6 minutes.
held in my chest.
you, small boy.
Putting
Do you have a phone?
courage to the
No, sir.
test.
Good.
But there's
Stay
a
quiet.
spark that starts to
This will be over soon.
glow. A hero's strength
Nobody has a
begins
phone?
to grow.
We're just kids.
I can be brave. I know the way
You were so brave,
to
Tom.
bravely meet the day.
He looked for phones. We said no.
To bravely
Still
meet
here,
the day.
scared. Please come.
She's still here.
A little breath held
She must be so
in
scared.
my chest.
We're coming. Stay smart.
Putting courage to the test. But there's a
Mom says she
spark
loves
that
us.
starts to glow.
We're gonna be okay.
A hero's strength begins to
hungry.
grow.
I know, buddy.
I can be brave. I know the
Lily,
way.
a police car.
Where?
To
Don't
bravely meet the day.
Two police cars.
To bravely meet the
That's
day.
How did they find us? Who called them?
Everyone stay in your seats. The police are here.
Sir, stand back, please. My kids are on that bus! Driver of the school bus, open the door now. Okay, I'm loading it.
He's giving up. It's okay now. It's really okay.
Step off the bus. Hands up. I didn't hurt him. Lily! Tom!
Dad!
Dad! You're okay. You're safe. I've got you.
I was scared, Dad. Me too. Really, really scared.
Did you send those clues?
Yes, sir. I used my phone.
You too found this bus for us.
I read the street signs.
Amy, I have them. They're safe.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
We're going home now, okay?
Can we have breakfast again?
Is the man going to jail?
The police will take care of him.
I read 2 street signs, Dad.
You did. You were amazing. You stayed calm when it was very hard.
I didn't feel calm, Dad.
That's what real brave means.
I see Mom. I see her. Are you okay? You hurt? We're okay, Mom. We're okay, babe.
Sit down. I'll make you something.
Can I have eggs again?
Can I see the messages you sent?
Here, Dad.
Maple Road, Westfield Lane, Old Meow Time.
You were so smart, Lily.
I was scared, but I kept thinking. I helped too. I read the signs.
Yes, you did, Tom. You were incredible. Are you really okay, Lily?
I was mostly scared for Tom.
That's love, sweetie.
Dad, I was a good spy today.
The best spy I've ever seen. Where did you learn to read signs so fast?
Car rides with you, Dad.
I'm so proud of you both.
We did it together.
Team Watson! Your daughter's messages were key. She never gave up sending them. The police said you found the bus.
I was just scared and trying.
That's exactly what helped.
After lunch, you should rest.
I am a little tired.
Can we watch something together?
Yes, something fun, nothing scary.
Golden
I keep
light
thinking
across
about
the
them on
floor.
that bus.
Don't need anything much more. Hear
they
the
were
coffee
so
maker
strong.
brew.
Tonight, I'm
Starting
making
out
your
the day
favorite
with
dinner.
you. Little motes of dust just gleam, living out a happy dream.
Can I
Smell
help
of
make
butter
it?
on the toast.
I'll set the
This is
table.
what I love the most. Yes, just morning sunshine.
Today was very
and
hard.
everything is fine.
But I'm so glad
oh,
we're
it's
all home.
morning sunshine and this whole world is mine.
This is the best pizza ever.
Because we're together.
Can we talk for a minute, Tom?
Are we in trouble?
No, buddy, you're not in trouble.
He always thinks that.
We want to say we are so proud of you.
Both of you. So very proud.
I didn't know what else to do.
You did exactly the right thing.
If something feels wrong, it probably is.
Like when the driver was different.
Being scared doesn't mean you failed.
I know. Dad told me that too. Dad, can I be a police detective?
You already are one.
Lily, you're my favorite sister.
I'm your only sister, Tom. You're my favorite brother. I'm your only.
I think they're going to be okay.
I think they already are.
I did that. We did that.
How are you feeling now? Really?
Like I know I can do hard things.
Yes, you can.
You never gave up on your sister today.
She's my sister.
Of course not. I love you, buddy.
I love you too, Dad.
Can I have a snack?
Whatever happens, you come to us.
Always. We will always come for you. What's the most important thing you learned today?
Always read the street signs.
Stay calm and send clues.
When something feels wrong, trust that feeling.
And tell someone fast.
Being brave doesn't mean not scared.
It means doing it anyway.
Exactly right.
We make a good team, Tom. Team Watson! That's us. Mom, thank you for that message.
Which one?
The one that said I love you.
That's always true, Lily. Even when I'm not there.
I know, felt it. Dad, I wasn't that scared.
I know, buddy. Okay, maybe a little. They were incredible today.
They always were. We just got to see it.
New bus driver today? Yes, and I already know his name.
Have a great day!
Lily and Tom stayed calm and worked together. That's how they found their way home.
If you like the story, like and subscribe.